welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Word Chapter 4 Simulation Training. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your simulation training without any confusion. If you need any help with MyLab IT assignment, quizzes, simulation exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C Sharp, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today's simulation training and go through it step by step. Here is the question number 1. Select all document text, change the paragraph spacing before to 0 pt and the spacing after to 0 pt. Basically in this question you will have to select all document text and change the paragraph spacing before to 0 and the spacing after to 0 point. First we select the old text of our document, then change the paragraph spacing, then change the paragraph spacing before to 0 point and the spacing after to 0 point. Simply you can go to the Home tab and go to the paragraph section and click on this down arrow. The pop-up bar appear. You can select before to 0 and spacing after to 0. In the after you can select 0, then press OK. Question are completed. The next part of this question is click after the ending quotation mark and before the ending period in the second sentence of the first body paragraph ending in string about out of doors. Insert a citation for a new source by selecting book section in the type of source field and typing Javed, Sarah, Oren in the author field, a white rayon in title field and the American tradition in literature in the book title field. Do not close the create source dialog box. First we click after the ending quotation mark and before the ending period in the second sentence of the first body paragraph. First we select this second body paragraph out of doors. You can see that the text ending in string about out of doors and insert a citation for a new source by selecting book section. You can go to the reference tab, then go to the citation and bibliography group, then click on insert citation, add a new source and author field, selecting book, the type of source field and typing Javed, Sarah, Orni in the author field, a wide rayon book, and you can select book section, author, Javed, Sarah, Orni in the author field and a white rayon in the title field. You can add a text, a white rayon in title field. You can see that this is a title field. Write a text, a white, then book title, the American tradition in literature, American tradition in literature. In the book title, do not close the create source dialog box. You can add space after a. And the next is in the create source dialog box, complete the source information. Enter 2019 in the year field, 531-537 in the pages field, New York in the city field, and MC Grad-Hill in the publisher field. Create the source. First we enter the year 2019 in the year field and 531 to 537 in the page field. As you can see that I have write 531 and to 537 in pages field, and in city field you can write New York, and the publisher field you can write a text MC Grad-Hill in the publisher field. This is a publisher field, MC Grad-Hill, and then create the source. Click OK. The next is insert a citation after the word salvia. Conviction holds firm and before the period in the first body paragraph on the page 1 using Javert as the reference. First we select Javert, then go to the after this salvia conviction. I search salvia conviction. This is a salvia conviction, hold firm, and the period in the first body paragraph on page 1. Click on this, then go to the reference tab, then click on insert citation at Javert are completed. Edit the parenthetical Javert citation displayed after the word string about out of doors to include page number 532. Do not suppress and display of author, year or title. Edit the parenthetical Javert citation displayed after the word string about out of doors. You can search it as this is a out of door Javert. Click on this Javert and click on edit, add pages 532 number, then press OK. The next part is using the edit citation dialog box, edit the Javert citation displayed after the words salvia conviction hold firm and before the period in the first body paragraph to include 537 as the page number. Javert citation, click on this drop down, then edit source, edit citation, then write a page number 537, then press OK. Questions are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is position the insertion point at the end of the document and insert a page break. Basically in this question you will have to insert a page break on the last of the document, end of the document. You can select this, then go to the insert tab and click on page break. Insert the works cited bibliography. You can go to the reference tab, then click on the bibliography tab, then click on this. You can see that bibliography are added. The next is select all of the text on the works cited page First we select all the text on cited page including the work cited heading. We have already selected work cited heading. Change the font to Times New Roman and manage and change the font size to 12 pt. You can go to the home tab, then go to the fonts family, then you can select Times and Roman, scroll down and then select Times and Roman and change the font color size to 12. The next is set the line spacing of all the text on the work cited page including the works cited heading to double, and you can click on this down arrow, then spacing section, click on this drop down, select double, then press OK. Remove bold formatting from the works cited heading and enter works cited. We have already done this. First we remove the bold. You can go to the home tab and click on B bold cited heading and center works cited. Then you can go to the paragraph section, then this click on the center align. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 3. Question number 3 is click after the quotation mark ending the first sentence in the last paragraph on page 1 ending in as a fairy table. Insert a footnote. Type Dr. The Odor Ovid is a renowned researcher at the University of Southern Colorado. Include the period ending as fairy table. Insert a footnote, then type this text, include a period, click after the quotation mark, then go to the reference tab, then go to the footnote tab, then insert a footnote. You can click on footnote, then type click on footnote, then type Dr. The Odor Ovid is a renowned researcher. Ovid is a renowned researcher at the University of Southern Colorado. Of Southern Colorado. The next is click after the period ending in first sentence in the first full paragraph on page 2 ending in and a disjust villain. Insert a footnote. Type you can disjust villain. You can see that this is our disjust villain. And go to the reference tab and insert a footnote. Then type a text. Grimm's Fairy Tales is a classic collection of such stories This part are completed now. Classic. The next is modify the footnote text style to include a font size of 12 and the font of the theme New Roman. Then right click on this, then go to the style to include a font size 12. You can click on modify, then you can select the font 12 and a font on New Roman. You can select the type New Roman, then okay, then click on apply. Now move to the next question. We have select time and Roman from this drop down, then select 12 and OK. Click on apply. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is, with the insertion point at the beginning of the document, select center alignment and change the font size to 16 pt. Change the font color to black text 1. You can select this, go to the home tab, then click on the center align. You can see that the text are in the center alignment. Then you can select the font size to 16, then change the font color to black. You can click on this drop down and select color the black. The next is press enter 5 times. Wait until the action is executed before pressing enter each time. First we enter 1 time, then 2 times, then 3 times, and 4 and 5 times. Type an analysis of a white heron, and you can simply type a text and analysis of double quotation a white heron, and then press enter. Select an analysis of white heron on the cover page on the home tab. In the font group, click change case, and then from the list click uppercase. First we select this text, an analysis of a white heron, then go to the home tab, then click on this, then click on uppercase. You can see that the text are converted into the uppercase letters. Question number 4 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 5. The question number 5 is, change the markup view to all markup. Change the markup view to all markup. You can go to the review tab, then click on, you can go to the tracking group section, then you can see that there are different options. Simple markup, click on the simple markup, then click on all markup. Accept all remaining changes in the document and stop tracking. You can go to the review tab, then go to the changes, then accept all. Display the document with no markup, then click on all markup and click on no markup. Question number 5 are completed now. We have now completed 5 questions of this simulation training. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignment, quizzes, simulation exam or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.